ब्रेक में आपका स्वागत है। अब आप घर बैठे ही बोर्डिंग पास हासिल कर सकेंगे। इंडियन ने पहली बार अपने यात्रियों के लिए आई चेक इन सेवा शुरू की है। 6 फरवरी से शुरू हुई सेवा फिलहाल ई टिकट, डायल अ टिकट पर ही मिलेगी, लेकिन जल्द ही एयरलाइन इस सेवा को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय रूट्स पर भी शुरू करेगी।
अगली बार आपको इंडियन से यात्रा करने पर अपने बोर्डिंग पास के लिए एयरपोर्ट पर लाइन में खड़ा नहीं होना पड़ेगा। बोर्डिंग पास अब आप घर बैठे ही कंप्यूटर प्रिंटआउट के जरिए निकाल सकेंगे। इंडियन ने इस नई सेवा के लिए बर्ड ग्रुप के साथ करार किया है। इसके तहत घर बैठे ही बोर्डिंग पास प्रिंट कर बिना लाइन में लगे सीधे चेक इन कर पाना संभव हो सकेगा। इसके अलावा यात्री घर पर ही अपनी सीट भी बुक कर सकेंगे। यह सेवा इकोनॉमी और एग्जीक्यूटिव क्लास पर मिलेगी।
आई चेक इन और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चेक इन की फैसिलिटेशन लोग यूज कर सकते हैं। इसकी मेन यूटिलाइजेशन यही है कि आपको एयरपोर्ट जाकर क्यू में नहीं खड़ा होना अपना बोर्डिंग कार्ड लेने के लिए। अपने ऑफिस की कन्वीनियंस में या घर की कन्वीनियंस में इंटरनेट पे लॉग इन करिए, क्लिक करिए, पीएनआर नंबर लास्ट नेम डालिए, घर पे प्रिंट आउट निकालिए और सीधा सिक्योरिटी गेट पे चले जाए।
इंडियन के अनुसार इस नई सेवा के चलते इंडियन को आमदनी में बढ़ोतरी भी होगी। आईटा के नियमों के तहत 2007 तक सभी एयरलाइंस को पेपर टिकट की जगह ई टिकट को बढ़ावा देना होगा। अपनी आमदनी बढ़ाने के लिए इंडियन जल्द ही कार्गो क्षेत्र में भी अपनी पैठ जमाना चाहती है। इसी के मद्देनजर इंडियन एयरलाइंस कुछ अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कार्गो कंपनियों से भी बात कर रही है।
We are thinking of using Indian Cargo as a brand name. And some of the big partners that may come in may want to share the external livery of the aircraft as also with their logos. But that's when we tie up.
तकनीकी सुधार के बाद इंडियन जल्द ही रोवरिंग चेक इन और कियोस्क सेवा भी शुरू करने पर विचार कर रही है। अनुराग मानखंड, जी बिजनेस, दिल्ली।
More good news for airline passengers. The days of standing in a long queue waiting for your boarding pass may soon be over. Indian is ready with its new iCheck-in facility from Tuesday. The facility will be starting from Tuesday. Rather, the new automated aviation and travel-related software solution is being adopted by major airlines across the world.
Passengers of Indian can now check in from their homes or offices through internet if they have availed of e-ticketing. They can even choose their seats in advance and can proceed straight for direct security and baggage check-in. The airline is claiming to have 100% e-ticketing by mid-2007, which is currently at around 11%.
All the technology initiatives that we are taking we are ensuring they are scalable. And it's easy to migrate onto or integrate with the merger scenario. So there should be no problem with that.
See, the differentiation of electronic ticket to a paper ticket on a global scenario, an airline saves between $7 and $8 per transaction. In India, it might not be that high because the cost of labor is cheaper, but there are substantial amount of savings for airlines to go paperless.
The airline is promising every single measure to ensure the security of the ticket information. The 12-hour service can be availed even 2 hours before the scheduled departure. At a time, at most 9 passengers can check in through a single PNR. Indian Airlines issues close to 70 million tickets every year and is hoping substantial cost saving through this new iCheck-in facility. Ajay Mishra's report, DD News, Delhi.
Indian Airlines may soon be tying up with the Postal Department and some of the domestic and international courier operators for their cargo operations. The airline is planning to convert some of its old aircraft to cargo operations. The new entity, which is expected to roll out from July 2007, will be called as Indian Cargo.
In case of a merger, yes, of course, the cargo divisions will be merged, and that's the plan. But on our own, we are going ahead with our cargo conversions. In fact, the first Indian aircraft carriers would perhaps be us to operate our own cargo by July. Our first aircraft, the 737, is now going to go to Florida for conversion. That's where it gets the facility, Boeing facility for conversion. And then it comes back to us in July, end of June or somewhere. And we are very bullish about operating.
Somalia getting into the corporate business, and Indian Airlines, now called Indian, is planning to get into the cargo business. And NDTV's Arijit Banerjee reports it's probably going to tie up with courier and cargo major Gati.
Indian has started taking delivery of its newly ordered aircraft, and it is converting 5 of its oldest aircraft, at present flying with its Alliance Air subsidiary, into freighters. Indian expects to convert first of the Boeing 737 into freighters by June end. The cargo airline, to be called Indian Cargo, is looking at tying up with courier major Gati and government-owned India Post for its cargo business.
We'd like to, it's selling of cargo space in advance, rather than selling it on the beginning of the day and worrying about the next day. So this would be ensuring us some cargo clientele straight away.
Indian is also finally getting into the engine maintenance business. Recently, the airline was in trouble for having to ground a large part of its fleet due to engine trouble. The airline has now signed an MOU with SNECMA to set up an engine repair and overhaul facility in Delhi. The joint venture would have 51% equity participation by SNECMA and 49% by Indian. The JV will invest about 70 crore rupees initially. There are 200 CFM engines being used by Indian airline companies, and Indian's newly ordered Airbus aircraft will also be fitted with these engines. With the MRO expected to service airlines in other Asian countries as well, Indian expects that the MRO will be able to service more than 40 engines annually. Interestingly, Boeing is also setting up an MRO in Maharashtra, and its partner will be the other government-owned airline company, Air India. In New Delhi, Arijit Banerjee for NDTV.
More corporate stories in the Business Roundup.